We'll guide you through how to create Asana plans quickly and easily. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Asana website. If you haven't already logged in, enter your credentials and sign in to your account. Once you're on the home page, look for the sidebar on the left-hand side and click on the Create New button, usually marked with a plus sign. From the drop-down menu, select Project. This will open a new window where you can set up your project details. Enter a name for your project and choose the layout style that suits your needs, like a list, board, or calendar view. You can also add a description to clarify the project's purpose. Next, you need to decide on the privacy settings. You can make it public to your team or keep it private. Click on the Create Project button once you're satisfied with your setup. Now that your project is created, you can start adding tasks by clicking on the Add Task button. Enter the task name and assign it to a team member if necessary. You can set due dates, add descriptions, and attach files to each task for better clarity. Asana also allows you to create sections to organize tasks into different categories. To do this, click on Add Section and give it a name, then drag and drop tasks into the appropriate section. If you want to add subtasks, click on a task and then click on Add Subtask. This is useful for breaking down larger tasks into smaller, manageable parts. You can also use Asana's timeline feature to visually map out your project schedule. Just click on the Timeline tab at the top of your project page to start arranging tasks on a calendar. Remember to frequently update your tasks and projects in Asana to keep everyone on the same page and ensure timely completion. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.